Welcome to the All Spiced Up Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making our All Spiced Up Bloody Mary chicken. So all we have to do is get our All Spiced Up Bloody Mary mix, a gallon Ziploc bag, put the chicken breasts, boneless, you can do bones if you'd like, in a Ziploc bag, and then we're going to pour tomato juice so that they're covered. Just like that, as easy as that. And then we're going to sprinkle our Bloody Mary mix until it looks like a Bloody Mary. So, depending on how many chicken breasts you put in the Ziploc bag, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons for 6 chicken breasts. Zip it up. Shake it up. And put it in the fridge for 15 minutes to overnight. Chicken breasts have been marinating in our Bloody Mary chicken blend for about 4 hours. And we're going to put it in the hot Vine Chef, which is preheated. You can hear it sizzle. I wish you could smell it. We're going to pour the tomato juice Bloody Mary mixture all over the chicken. The chicken's going to simmer at 250 for the Bloody Mary chicken breasts have been cooking for about 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see we've got some white rice. It's also really, really good with a saffron rice. Hope you can see it. Wish you could smell it. Perfect. And then we're going to pour the Bloody Mary tomato over it. Voila. Easy Bloody Mary chicken with all spiced up Bloody Mary mix. Happy cooking.